Hello kids, so today's lesson is from literacy book. Okay, so get ready. So today we learn about blends. Blends. Okay, now so you have to read after me. Okay, so get ready. So let's read this word. App. Apple, app. And club. When they come together, it makes the word clap. Clap. Clap, clap. And now, next is, let's read ip, ip, and slur. Slur, ip, slip. Slip, slip. And now, let's see what's the next word. Awk. Awk, awk. Blur. Blur, awk. What is it? It makes a word block. 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 Okay. And after this, let's see what's the next word. Let's read ought. 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 Slur. Slur, ought. It makes a word sloth. 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 So kids, revise these words very carefully. Okay? All the best. So now read the words in form of flashcards. The first word is clap. 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 Okay, the second word is sloth. 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 Then block. 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 Then slip. 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 Okay, and then clap. 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 Thank you so much kids for watching the video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.